was androgynous enough that we
And we could both fantasize about him and no one would be gay. Yeah, I know the joke. Hey, you know what? Listen, Zapp sucks. Why don't we go see Kroll?
Peter, you know I'm dying to see Zapp.
I would much prefer Kroll.
Well, maybe you should just go by yourself.
Well, maybe I will.
Fine.
Crap. Death!
What?
One more time.
Hey, Peter, you all set to go see Zapp tonight? I figured Scott Baio was androgynous enough that we could...
That's hilarious. You are a delight. And Zapp is one of my favorite movies. I look forward to watching it with you, sweetheart.
Ah, wonderful.
Death!
Hey, Peter, you all set to go see Zapp tonight? I figured Scott Baio was...
Yeah, Scott Baio, gay, blah, 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 blah. I can't wait to see the movie.
Well, terrific. I'll see you tonight.
Oh, hey, Peter. Say, I was just getting ready to hit the town. You want to join me?
I can't, Cleveland. I got a date with Lois.
It's gonna be fun.
It is? Peter, what the hell are you doing? You're supposed to be with Lois. Oh, crap. Death!
No, you know what? I'm not doing it again. No more mulligans. You're on your own.
Oh, damn it, Brian. What the hell am I going to do now? I haven't screwed up this bad since I bought Joe Piscopo that barbell set. All right, Joe. Now, don't get carried away with this.
Don't worry, Peter. I'll only work out during my downtime.